lang yun.
Hi. Where are we gonna go now? Hello po. Tara, let's see. Here, then.
Ito yung mga gandang VIP.
VIP? Yeah, let's see. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Ito po yung VIP.
Yes po, VIP 18. Yung pinaka-magandang VIP namin.
Pinakamaganda. Oh, okay.
Actually, lagi na yung gamit ng po nito is yung mga boss namin. Tapos ang pag may nag-ano, ang possible talaga nito is 100k po.
100K.
Yes ma'am. And then meron din po tayo dito ma'am na pwede kayong magkumanta.
Ito yung gusto namin. Karaoke.
And then here po yung bathroom area.
Oh.
And then pwede po may mag-tsaa din po dyan.
Ito ba yung may tsaa na parang maano yung...
Mahaba.
Mahaba
Yung kanina nag-assist sa inyo ma'am, is siya yun.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Kaso ma'am, bawal sa inyo yung tsaa ngayon eh. Kasi nalilising na. Tapos sabi niya ma'am, nakita niya naman po yung isang 87, yung dalawang table. So, pantay. Kasi same-same naman na po yan dito.
Okay.
Be careful lang.
Tapos yung yung table setting nyo, the same lang din, no? Yung plating nyo, same lang.
Sa mga VIP rooms po, may standard po tayo ng plating sa VIP room. Kaya sa dining area is yung plastic po yung gamit natin. And then sa naman po, sa VIP, puro mga babasagin. Except sa VIP 12 na 6 packs lang. Tsaka maliit kasi yung VIP. Kaya ang setup is normal setup lang din po tulad sa dining.
Okay.
And here naman po yung isa din sa pinakamalaki natin VIP. Here po ang VIP 5.
Nasaan na yun?
Eh ma'am, naka-set up na po yan ma'am.
Set up na. Oh, it's so pretty here. Yeah.
Tapos meron din dito
Magkano po yung inaabot ng ganito?
Eto ma'am, 80, ang kakaas ko lang kanina is 80 naman daw.
80K, 80,000. Tapos how many packs po siya?
Pwede siyang tumungtong ng 20 ma'am,
20
20 packs. Tapos pwede rin siyang dito ma'am, ilok to.
Ah,
Kasi may VIP seat. Ito lang po yung isang VIP seat natin na umiikot po yung table. Also, umiikot na rin naman po ito, automatic. Pero ito yung flat na table na automatic din na...
ito umiikot din to, no?
Yes po.
Mas social yung
Pat
dito.
nila, sabi nila.
Mas bongga. May TV rin.
Restroom, may restroom din po dito isa.
Restroom
Yes,
also. Ah, yeah, this is the restroom.
Lahat po ng VIP may restroom except sa VIP 12. Kasi sobrang liit lang ng VIP.
Ilan po yung mga VIP dito? Ilan total?
1, 2,
Marami din.
4 dito sa baba ma'am. That's 6 sa taas. Balis siya, kasama yung pinakamagandang VIP, which is VIP 18.
So yung pong dito sa yan yung
Dining
normal
area
yung
po.
dining area.
Actually, may dining area din po sa labas. Yung mga nakikita nyo may mga table.
okay,
Dining area din po
okay.
yun. And then yung the rest, mga room is VIP room na po.
So also big area.
Yes po.
Also the ceiling is gold. Mayaman sa gold. So makonect pala siya
Gold
dito.
docking style na yan.
Yeah. I think
Restroom din po siya. Tapos pwede rin kayo kumunta dito.
Oo.
Magsayaw-sayaw dito.
bakit po may karaoke? Ba't may karaoke sila? I thought it's Filipino thing, the karaoke.
Hindi, meron din naman po kahit sa Chinese.
Ah,
Meron din. Nagkakantahan din sila. Kaya more on Chinese din po nakalagay dyan. Pero we have also YouTube naman po.
Ah, yeah.
Kaya pwede kayo mag-karaoke.
Yeah. May stage pa sila, ha?
Yes po. Actually ma'am, yung mga kumakain dito, pag may hindi nila napapanood doon yung stages room,
Dito sila.
pwede nilang dito. Kaso nga lang, may extra bayad din.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Kumbaga, na siya, babayaran yung tao na para sumayaw sila dito. Para
So,
makita nyo ng
okay din pala
in-private
siya
din.
sa wedding, for example, there's a wedding that 20 packs.
Yes, ma'am.
Di ba?
Yes po.
Okay na siya. Maybe dito na lang kami.
Pwede naman po. Tsaka, pwede nyo naman po kausapin yung mga heads namin about dyan. sa mga
gagastos lang din, oh. Di 20 packs, mas
At
ano
least
pa,
dito
relax,
sulit
di
din.
ba? Oh.
Sulit din.
Tsaka mas
malamig din ho dito pa.
less stress.
Pinulit na.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi i-assist naman po
oo.
kayo. Kami na
Mm.
yung kagagawa ng mga sauce nyo.
Maganda.
Actually, may mga nag-i-event na dito. Like yung mga vloggers, isang
yeah.
ano,
Okay.
pumunta na dito. Mga artista na isipuntahan na yun po dito. Pero yung iba, hindi pinapaalam.
Ito mga important itong mga to.
Ano, yes ma'am, ano siya? Mga pwedeng Italian or gawing
Ayan.
lugaw.
Ayan.
Yes po.
Pero
may
galing
order
din sa ibang bansa. In-import din. Or dito lang.
Dito po sure ma'am, pero Chinese yun po.
Oo. Kasi itong crab na to, yung king crab,
Hindi ko alam po kasi yung mga
kasi
sa mga tinitimbang kasi yun po.
per kilo.
Wala, hindi ko talaga alam kasi
Ayun. Lobster.
pero sinasabi ko sa pero yung fresh, hindi na natin.
Kasi yung king crab kasi, ang Norway kasi kilala sa king crab. So, I was thinking if it's from Norway.
Yung pinakubal.
Yeah, maybe it's from Alaska or Norway.
I'm not sure lang ma'am kasi mga Chinese kasi fresh
Ayan,
po talaga.
fresh.
Minsan may kita mo ma'am, gumagalaw po yung mga
Oo.
sa stick. Kasi ma'am, i-deliver talaga nila ang fresh. Katulad ng mga crab, kukunin pa rin nila dyan yung sa kanila yung crab. Kaya ng lobster, kukunin pa lang din nila dyan. Bago nila
I-serve.
lutuin or i-serve. Ito yung mga normal na VIP. Yung sinasabi namin. Pero same siya ng setup ng
Dito sa dining.
Same na siya ng whole VIP.
Yeah, okay.
Puro babasagin.
I have one question po. Why we only have one apron on the table outside?
Kasi siguro naubusan po ng
Yeah, okay. Kasi it's only my husband. Sabi ko, but only one apron we have.
May nasisira na kasi sa aming apron. So, tinatahe, gano'n.
Opo.
And then, minsan naman, ma'am, nililate din po yung sa pagdating ng apron. So, tinatapin po namin.
Opo.
Tapos, isi-set up namin sa lahat.
It's nice. Yeah.
Pero pwede naman po kayo kung wala talaga
Mag-request
kayong
lang,
apron.
no?
Yeah, mag-request.
Yes. Salamat ma'am ha for the tour. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye po.
Ay, isa sa heads na.
Yeah, yung ambience. Thank you ma'am ha.
Du fick liksom en lobster i din. Maybe you should order lobster soup. Look, he has a lobster in his soup.
Okay.
Oh, it's only like 600 more peso. Hey, there's our lobster there.
There's still lobster.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like yours, I guess.
Ja, jag beställde bara extra lycka. Det är gratis. Ja, sån här vanlig dricka var gratis. Eller bara inkluderat. Jag bara tänker rent hur man äter det rent kan man säga. Ja. Tekniskt. Logistiskt.
I get excited.
So intrigued with the picture.
Wait for them.
Which sauce?
Jag vet inte vad det
This
här är.
is their best seller. Ouch. Mushroom.
Jag vet inte vad det här är.
Paso. What's this? Collagen. Collagen.
They throw up now already.
Yung charger mo.
See, I was wondering if I should wear like white. I couldn't figure out if they had aprons. Now I know.
De har någon professional hot butter.
Yeah.
See if the wife accepts it.
Was she good? Just eat?
It's allowed to sit like this.
Yeah.
Kampai!
Kampai!
My baby glass.
Baby shark nuts.
Just join the...
With Coke, with Chinese Coke.
Marvin.
Later,
Later.
I didn't
I
ask.
see you have a cocktail glass there. What's happening there? You have a big glass.
The lobster after a few minutes or?
Magandang video nito.
Better just put around 5 minutes.
Pwede natin lagyan na
Mushrooms.
So now or?
What, sir?
Pwede natin lagyan na siguro ano.
Yeah, you can do that now.
Ito mahal ano lalagyan.
Wait lang. I'm just filming.
Ano katabi mo ito?
No. Sige po.
Ayan na.
Wow, look.
Cool, ah?
So cool.
This one is pork.
This is peanut
Beef.
sauce. Papa, what's your order?
Spicy butter.
Na.
Not too spicy, but it's
Very
very spicy.
hungry.
Hindi, you take my butter.
Kala ko magpapagawa ka ng sauce.
Ito na ngayon.
Ah, yan na yun.
Is this your first time in this restaurant or?
Yes,
you've been here?
How did we find out about this restaurant?
He told me about it, but I actually saw it on.
How did you know?
I just when I stayed here in Manila, the time I lived in a hotel just up the street. And I was really curious. I kind of like, ooh, what is this? How do you do it? And I looked.
Enjoy the moment.
I saw a video of this before.
It's one
We
of
always look at videos on Philippines because we always miss it here.
Yeah.
So like every week we're looking.
Camera.
So I've seen a video of this before, and he said this one. I said yes, there was one. I want to go there.
Yeah, ito pwede ba lagyan?
It's supposed to be one of the best hot pots, this one.
Yeah.
They used to have a branch in BTC, but they closed.
Okay.
But this is the only one that I know.
Yeah, I think this is the one that people go to. There was in Greenbelt as well, and we live now in Makati, but I'm thinking
Yeah.
this is a go to the. It's a grab away. It's not far.
USA beef slice.
So this is the sharing thingy. We have the
Yeah.
all be nice to share. Grab whatever you want. First come, first serve, I guess.
Come first there.
What is monster pork?
But now we have an issue. If people order things, right? I don't really remember what they
I don't remember anything.
I don't
Problem.
remember what I ordered.
problems.
Or just add
I think I ordered
vegetables.
fish balls or something.
Yeah, lobster balls.
Yeah.
Wow, that's fiesta. Yeah. So we're gonna go with the.
Oh no!
Was she good?
I guess we start. I don't know. So, also.
Fogra, yeah, you can.
Oh, it's
Yeah. Fogra and tuna. You can eat raw.
Yeah.
Then the pork, beef, crab. You need to cook on your soup base.
Okay. But the problem is, I ordered some things, and I don't really remember what things I ordered. Will it all be in the middle?
Yeah. This one the pork.
Yeah.
Then this one is a USA beef slice. And
Okay.
then Angus snowflakes. This one is the one-time
Yeah.
serving.
But what I'm thinking, we all ordered things. Will it all come to the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. So we
That one is all of that is for serving.
so if we don't remember what we ordered, we just grab what we want.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Just eat.
Ay.
Thank you. So I guess everything we ordered just goes to the middle.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just I don't know.
Picture ko po kayo ma'am. So wag po dito pa. Ako lang. Picture na ako alam ma'am. Mas maganda dito ka na lang para dito.
So I was drunk every night.
Yep.
You were
I'll
drunk
get
every night, Kuroko?
one of this
No
also.
comments.
No
I don't know if it's like this. I just put it in. Nilagyan ko pa
And
ng...
there's a bowls now. And some
Yeah, I ordered the fish bowl.
I ordered lobster bowl.
Yeah. So these are the lobster balls.
Yeah.
These are the
You wanna try, Papa?
I want to try
sorry.
my lobster bowl
Yeah, it's there.
later maybe. And I need some veggies.
There, mushrooms.
rings right there.
Yeah.
Just eat, guys. Film.
Better grip.
You're so cute.
Enjoy. Masarap yung soup. Masarap yung soup nila.
I don't know how to eat it to the proper etiquette. It's like you can spin it, but then I ruin everyone
Yeah,
else's.
just
Grab things with
just
the
grab things.
chopsticks.
and
This one, Mom.
Yeah.
Pwede ko na siya.
It's a good presentation also, like with the flower. Yeah.
That's so expensive.
That's why it's expensive, of course.
Because of that.
Roses.
Roses.
But it's fun.
Okay, now let's see.
Okay,
I think
Papa,
it's
just
3 minutes
taste.
now. My
I don't think so.
not 3 minutes.
One
yet.
toy.
One point.
Good price.
This one, sir. Lobster.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Just enjoy.
Lobster.
The soup is good.
Is it good?
Already finished the cook. See?
Only 3 seconds, I think.
Yeah. And then dipping sauce.
Yummy. Is it spicy?
Not so spicy, but it's very good.
Yeah.
The sauce is very good.
Ay, lagay sa scissor. Tapos
Ah, okay. Ilaw siya? Ilaw ate.
It's fine.
Ah, dito okay.
If I ordered a double spicy, I think I would want it.
There's no fish ball.
No rice.
I ordered also the lobster ball. It will come.
There's rice, but you didn't order before.
There's no rice, Lalin. Nothing rice today. Because you will get full on the rice. Eat the expensive parts.
I ordered fish ball.
Ah, yes, please.
No, it's not.
Salamat.
Sashimi. I think it's allowed.
Sashimi.
Yeah. I will steal one.
Welcome to China.
Chay.
How spicier. Natikman mo na?
Did you order the single or double spicy?
I'm just intrigued.
It's not too spicy? Mine, I ordered the single. It's kind of spicy.
This is the super spicy.
This is already spicy.
Super spicy po.
Oh.
Maybe.
But it's spicy po.
Because it's
Yeah.
But not super.
I don't think you would order super spicy if it don't spicy.
Ayan.
My favorite food is Thai food, so
Ah, yeah.
I always love it to be spicy.
Mm.
How was it, sir?
I never had one in my life, actually. I didn't eat shellfish for like 25
How
years.
was it?
So I'm trying to eat shellfish now.
Really good.
How's that going married to a Filipino?
Yeah, that's why.
Now you can put some
Lobster.
So I didn't get to try the crab. I'm going to try the crab now. We'll see how it goes. I was not too impressed by shrimp, so we'll see.
Was it good?
Yeah.
The real challenge is feeling it yourself.
That's what I don't want to do. But I think they do it for you here. That's the solution.
That's my favorite seafood.
Yeah. The crab. Yeah, this is the blue crab here, I think, right? So you can just take a piece of the crab here? Or how do I
Yes.
eat this? How do I eat this, my love?
Yeah, just dip in this.
I need to cook it for a while,
Yeah,
for sure.
cook it.
Sing
Yeah,
happy
cook
birthday
it, put
2
it
times in your head.
Happy birthday. It's that show. No.
That's what I hear.
Yeah. Cooking. Happy birthday.
Maybe I can ask the... Hello, ma'am. How long do I need to cook a crab?
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay, so more than 2 happy birthday. Okay.
So maybe 4.
Maybe 4 happy birthdays. Good.
Kumain.
Yeah, I'm enjoying also like this, you
We have a lot
know.
You can also Korean serve the
It's still a lot of
crab.
food.
It's still
And
walking with a little
It's
bit
hard
of
to eat when you're pregnant.
Lagyan mo ng beef at saka ng
No
pork.
problem. Did you try this one?
And this one is nice.
Yeah.
Let's get a really nice boutique hotel by Police Walk. Okay. So it's really like 7 rooms, really small.
Malaglag.
It's
second floor of the restaurant.
It's true home.
It's true home?
True home.
No, it was
Fast
called
Bar?
Seaworthy. Just by, you know, Percy.
Yeah,
Seafood restaurant.
yeah. So the smaller.
如何跟失败相困？我心没在惧怕，是日子一切走过。爱也匆匆，去也匆匆，人不能相逢。爱也匆匆，恨也匆匆，一切都随风。我笑一声，长叹一声，欢我一声，悲哀一声，谁人我生死与共？谁人我生死与共？
Ano ba yun?
Papa.
Aha.
Ano yan?
Ako napaanak at nangaba pa.
Ay, ayos. Wala kasing space yung table. So, ito yung parang side lang side. Tapos, ano, yung sa kamay, nakaganda ng kamay.
Pwede mo kayong
Ay, may mga props tayo, ma'am.
Mahal.
Ano sila mga
Mahal.
Ito, kamay pa
May sa akin yung buhok. Isang kamay ko.
Ayoko, gusto ko yung phone ko.
Paano? Ganyan.
Paano kami? Sir? Ano mo, sir? Dali mahal. At ako picture tayo tatlo tsaka tayo dalawa.
Kaya ako na pala.
Okay na.
Yung pong crown, pwede po magsuot ng crown? Pwede po magsuot ng crown?
Pwede, ma'am. Kaya,
Mm-mm.
Jay, hi ka sa mini vlog.
Ma-upload po yan after 10 years. Puro vlog, walang upload.
Ayan.
Ay, malaki.
Pa. Ganun.
Ay, bigyan ko rin si sir ng isa. Alin po yung
Ito yung kay sir.
Ito po.
Ayun. Yung maganda yun. Ay, kaso wala na. Ito na lang.
Kung magpa-picture kayong dalawang couple.
Okay, ma'am, yung magka-proud din kayo.
Puntahan natin sila doon. Pwede daw doon eh. Surprise natin sila.
Ano, maluwag.
Yan talaga siya, mamaluwag talaga. Pwede kayo dito dumaan
Sa
mo.
tali niyo po ata yun.
Wait lang din na lang.
Welcome to my mini vlog.
Ito ba kapay-pay?
Yes po.
Paano ba trip?
Parang ano, ganyan, sweet-sweet lang. Takpan-takpan ng face, gano'n.
Masashock sila sa tsura natin. Tara, daan tayo doon. Pwede pong maupo doon no, sa seats namin.
Yes po, basta wag lang pong kakain.
Tapos na naman po kami kumain. Ayun pala, nakita na wala tayo.
Nakita na ng kasi. Hindi, pwede pa picture kami na.
You're really, you can't have a picture there. You're old school.
Pwede pa kayo sa stage, ma'am.
Ma'am, sa stage. Okay lang yan, hindi naman kayo kilala ng guest eh.
Na lang baka. Mahal
Pwede rin naman. Kung malakas na dito kayo.
Lakasan yung loob nyo,
Tara na,
ma'am.
sige na. Let's go na there.
Dun daw sa...
Sa stage po.
Dito kami sa taas.
Ang ganda naman yata ang
Sa
GoPro.
taas po na sa
Yes
stage.
po.
Tara sir, sa gitna.
Eh, ma'am, naka-video kayo.
Sir, you're in the middle.
O-open lang namin yung light. Ayan.
Halika sir, picture. Sir Marvin.
Ay, yung purpose eh.
Dito kayo, ma'am.
Tapos gitna nyo na lang si sir.
Sir, sa gitna.
Apo.
Gusto pa po kayo dito. Ay, okay na kayo.
360.
1, 2, 3.
Pakloko.
1, 2, 3.
Bakit na natin yung ano?
Or dalawa po. 1, 2, 3.
And ano, cameraman. Say hi, ma'am.
Ay, kami dalawa.
Jet sister. Truly, sabay.
1. Parang ganun pa kayo sa tayo. Yan.
Wala na ma'am, nag-power up na siya.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. Ibang pose pa po. Ganyan po kayo.
Yan.
Yan.
Ay ma'am, okay yung ganyan din.
Salamat po. Yung kasama ko na hindi
Ma'am, meron kami dyan ma'am.
Gusto niya pero parang walang kasya.
Meron ma'am.
2XL po. Ah, yeah, I swearing it na.
Di ba? Meron ma'am.
May vlog pa rin po yun.
Power up.
Ayan po. 5 minutes lang po ng 5 minutes.
Ah, okay.
Papa, you need this one also.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Okay. We will have a photo maybe.
This one.
Here, a picture again.
Salamat. Sorry.
Papa, we can have a photo.
Kayo muna dalawa.
Yeah.
Ito kasi dito kasi.
I don't think it's so much color in the bikini.
It's nice there.
Nag-video sa labas mo.
Ay, oo. Mas,
Dito pa kayo sa gitna.
mas maganda dito.
Yan, okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Ayan. Vlog.
Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Tinginan po kayo sa isa.
Look at me.
Okay, serious.
And kiss. Ay, isa pa po.
Serious.
Yung serious na
Okay, serious now.
Serious.
1,
1, 2, 3. Ayan. Sila ma'am.
Kami din. Tapos kami apat na.
Ah, sige po.
Pang
Ay, yung phone.
Halika.
Thank you.
They don't want to wear costume, the friends.
I don't know.
You can ask them.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po.
360 din.
Kiss naman po. Tamis.
Ang sarap.
No, salita. Apat tayo.
Apat daw kayo, ma'am.
Apat tayo. Tawagan mo na si Martin. At ako'y mapapaanak na kami. Sakit na yun.
Kabuanan nyo na ba, ma'am?
Ngayon,
January. Sino po?
Ha?
January. Sila yan.
Tagal na nga eh. Hindi pa rin nalabas. Say hi. Yung pinakamaganda na
Ano po,
handa.
dalawa po kayo babae sa gitna.
Yeah, they're waiting for
But there's fish.
Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Ay, sa...
2 seconds.
Dito mo kuha ng bed.
Kuha mo nga. 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Ano?
Serious naman po. 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
Tamang video.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Say hi. Wow.
Ma-upload ko yan matagal po. I don't know.
December next.
Next December na ulit.
Paano kayo?
Thank you po, ma'am.
Kita mo may maganda dyan.
Sama na kita. Oh my God.
Ano, face reveal daw ate.
Oo nga, patingin.
Ito yung pinaka-pogi namin sa nag-robot. Gusto niya sample, ma'am, robot.
Ay, nakita ko na siya kanina. Ay, yeah, ayan. Yung nag happy birthday. Yeah.
You need a new tour also.
No, it's fine now, Papa, because it's low bat now, 9%.
Again, low bat.
Yeah.
Okay na po ba?
Yes po.
Dito na lang tayo, ma'am. Hindi kayo mera.
Did you see the fish?
Yeah,
In the
I
pot,
will
it's
check.
big.
Yeah.
Dito na lang. Wait nyo lang.
So, ito yung mga costume nila. Ayan. It's fun here, guys.
I hope na-enjoy kayo.
Super po, ma'am. Okay, this one. Thank you po, ma'am. Face reveal. Salamat po. Oh, what kind of fish is this?
There's more there.
Yeah, it's like goldfish, I think. Yeah.
No?